1 plus 1, we have 2, okay, times 2, you have 4, then 8 divided by 4, you have 2. This answer is not correct. To get correct answer, you follow BODMAS rule. Now, in BODMAS rule, the first priority is bracket, which is 1 plus 1, you have 2, times this 2, divided by 8. Now we have 8 divided by 2 times 2. The next priority is division after brackets. Now we're going to divide this, which is what? 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then finally we multiply times 2. And our answer will be 8 as correct answer, which is equals to 8. Correct answer. Please subscribe. Thank you.